Welcome back to the farmstead. So today we are making an old-fashioned blackberry cobbler. Now we're going to use blackberries that my one son picked at my other son's house. And we have 2 cups that have been soaking in 3/4 cups of sugar for a couple of hours. And they've made a nice batch of their own juice. Now you can use this with canned fruit too. You can do 2 cans of fruit. I sometimes do it with peaches. And what I'll do is I'll pour 1 whole can in the pan and drain the other can. So if you're using canned fruit, do that. Do not use any sugar. All right, so 2 are blackberries. And in East Texas, a lot of time, these are called dewberries. I'm going to pour them into my pan. And an 8x8 pan is perfect size for this, but I can't find mine. So we're using this one that I like. We're just going to pour it in. I have preheated my oven to 375 and melted a half a stick of butter. So I'm just going to pour my berries in there and spread them out. Okay. Now for the cobbler part, this was my mom's recipe. Very special to me. We have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure your baking powder is always nice and fresh. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Maybe a splash more. Pinch of salt. Got a gram of salt. Sprinkle of salt. And 1 cup of milk. Mix it up. Get it all over the cabinet like I always do. Pan's hot. Just pour it in. Spread it out over the whole pan. And you don't mix it, you don't stir it, you just pour. Okay. Now, for the topping, we have a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir that up. And then sprinkle it all over the top. This might be a little too much. There we go. We'll save that for cinnamon toast. All right. And there we have it. That's it. Easy as pie. We're going to put this back in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until it is done in the center, and you can take a little fork and pull in there and make sure the dough is cooked all the way through. All right. Off to the oven we go. All right. So there we have it. Our blackberry cobbler. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. Look at that. Perfect with a little bit of homemade ice cream. And easy as pie. Actually easier than pie. So, there you have it. Try this with blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, any kind of berries. Peaches, plums, all this fruit's about to come into season. This is a perfect way to use it up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.